The two that I selected are Mary Q. Foote and Rochelle Gutierrez. For Mary Foote, I was interested in her writings having to do with teachers not meeting the needs of students who have a different ethnicity or socioeconomic background than they have. Um, and she talks about how student participation in a class is an issue of equity. Without participation, there can be no learning. So this was, I find that interesting, writing for Mary Q. Foote. So this would be something I would like to read more about. Rochelle Gutierrez writes about over the past decade, the mathematics as education research community has incorporated more sociocultural perspectives into its ways of understanding and examining teaching and learning, an area that I'm very interested in. I would like that. And another one of Rochelle Gutierrez's writing talks about when the pedagogy or scholarship involves challenging the status quo, especially on behalf of students of color, there tends to be an extreme backlash to silence it in recent years. So again, I seem to be drawn towards the social justice of education equity. My participation in the EL program really has awakened that in me, although my interest was already there.